Hey guys, so today we are playing some build a boat. So I want to load something very quick with my big daddies. Well, it's not done, so let's just run. Then, oh god. Go. Okay, load a boat. Yeah, it's done. Now, let's go. Eat me, mamacita. Bro, this is not doing anything, my man. Oh, this guy's passing it. Dude, this guy's passing it. Oh, he died. Wee! Oh no. The boat is getting destroyed. I'm gonna just get out and let's go. It's just like the Titanic. Oh, I'm jacking and I'm holding. Instead of the iceberg, there's rocks. Imagine the Titanic broke by rocks. Imagine. Imagine that. Well, guys, here's a fact. Actually, rock is what is kind of strong. If you see a rock in the ground, like it's a rock, and you have like metal with you, if you have a metal, you have an iron pickaxe, and you try mining it, it will do a dent, but it'll probably break your pickaxe. And also, pickaxes are a thing in real life also. Just saying if you didn't. Oh no! How about my jetpack? Huge Bud Dobby. Should I let him in? Yeah, let's do it. Let's go, mamacita! I made those little like types of wings, so if we get up, yeah, I just made them. Yes, for the last time, Jesus. Where's Bobette? Where's WFTG Hut? Hey, bro. FGTV. Hi, do you speak English? Hello? Oh my god. Wait, that can be like my seat. I'm making the world's weirdest plane. What in the world is he doing? Bro! Bro! This guy is lit. What is he? We're gonna be in the air, my dude. What is he trying to do? He won't be connected to. Oh! Now he won't be controlled. What the? Oh no, he's controlling the literal. I should never let this guy in. I'm gonna die. I can't control this. He's literally controlling. Look, he's literally We're gonna die! No! Let's go, Mamacita. Let's go, Mamacita. Let's go, Mamacita. You're the worst at the stop. Yes! Got you, newbie. Oosh! Why am I spinning around? Why am I spinning around? Bro, fine. If you want to be rude, wait. I want to race him. Let's race. Let's race. Hello. FTDV Bobby. What? Let's race. Don't do anything. No, what are you doing? You dare. Bro! Stop! 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 Jesus, now maybe he'll stop. I didn't ever said he will. Now I need one of these. Where's the other way? What? Wait, is it no? Wait, do you? Wait. Wait, does the gold blocks disappear? Oh, I'm so stupid. Oh my god. So everything's right, except the bot. What the? This guy is very stupid. Now get away from me. Don't touch me. Get away. I'm not doing anything good. I'm trying to, doing something that I'm not supposed to say near to. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I pretty much think all of you know this machine. Okay. Now let's just do this. What? Oh my god, I'm so stupid. It's not this block. There. Oh god, I'm so stupid. What in the world? I'm gonna be nice and let him finish. Psych. Let's go, mamacita. Let's go. Let's go. Mamacita. Alright, kill. Mommy? Wait, is that a secret or no? Is it supposed to be like this? RP battle, RB battles. I thought it was like RB battles. Oh no! What the? Why is the train just there ready to just conquer? Oh god! How do I do this? Toxic way. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. It's not functionable anyway. No, now it's way broken. Now it's way broken. Stop this! How do I stop this? How do I stop this? How do I stop this? Stop this! No, 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 no! I can't. Oh, I think this is like a switcheroo thing. This is the worst thing! I hate this. Don't get this machine. I don't know how to function it. Get to stop it! I have to eliminate these blocks. Yes! Yes! That is fat. There's a trap somewhere. I know it. There's a trap somewhere. Know it. Have to be very snaky. Very snaky. Yes! So cool, Mamacita. Mamacita. Okay, it won once. Ooh. A gold block. Who cares? I want to get something here. I really want. Wait, how much do I have? 600, I bet. What's this? Ability skill. Oh, 5,000 gold. What's this? How do I do this? This is building tools for the ability to set, keep blinding. Oh. 600, cool. What the? What the hell? Ooh, toxic man. Come here. What if I touch those things? Oh, I instantly died. Wait, was it because of the water or is it because of those? So I'm gonna make another method. It's gonna be way easier. So, you know what I'm going for. Well, especially. I didn't know how to tell. Well, this glass is a little bit darker. Well, why the hell am I making it out of grass? Okay, so guys, I'm right now gonna make okay there. So then I'm gonna put that. Then later, sucker! Whoa! Haha, now he can't get me. God! I'll be like, fast, fast, fast. Then I'll go fast, fast, fast. Bumps. Fast, fast, fast. I gotta bump up the gas. Oh yeah. Fast, I gotta bump up. Fast, fast, gas, I gotta pump up the gas. Ooh, I think that's new. Ooh. Oh no! Oh god! Oh no 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 no! Oh no 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 no! Banana! Oh no! I really should have bought a jetpack. Nah. no. Wait. That guy, I think that guy knows I'm a YouTuber. Bro. Go. Okay. So... yeah! Why don't I host? Build time for... oh, the maximum time. What's... block limited. 1,000. 50, 100, 200, 1,000, none, 5, 100, 200, 1,000. Let's do it. Yeah. Car parts allowed. Car parts allowed. Disabled. Force PvP on. Mode off. Then I'll start one. Oh, I need a teammate. What the hell? No. Your team has joined a challenge building disabled until the challenge begins. Okay, I shouldn't have done that. I'm not gonna do it in this video. Sorry, guys. I really want this, but I have no V-Bucks. I mean, Robux. I don't play Fortnite. What does this do? Light bulbs. What's this? A camera. Seriously? A button. A switch. Purchase one delay block. Delays a faction. Collect functional blocks. Nah, I'm gonna buy something. Let's do cloud. Yes. Yeah, sure. Start. What are you trying to do? What are you supposed to do? I'm gonna go back and go to quests. Okay, this quest consists of floating target. You have to rules. No flying parts. Wait, how do you do it? This request. Wait, so let's not do it. Cancel. Let's do soccer. Wait. Go a giant soccer ball in the net. Sounds pretty easy. Wait, what are you trying to do? Wait a second. Wait. Ugh. Why? Building is disabled until... oh my god. Okay, so guys, if you enjoyed the video, please like and smash that subscribe button.